Spice up your meals with Tajín.
Hello, foodies! Today, we're going to talk about an incredible seasoning that's been the secret weapon of many chefs, Tajín. It's a unique blend of mild chili peppers, dehydrated lime juice, and sea salt that comes from Mexico, and it's gaining worldwide popularity. Let's explore the best cooking techniques and methods to use Tajín and how to make your dishes truly unforgettable.
What dishes work best with Tajín?
Tajín is extremely versatile, but it shines especially when used with dishes that need a boost of tangy, slightly spicy flavor. Some of the best foods to pair with Tajín include fruits and vegetables, seafood, meats, and even beverages. Fruits and vegetables. Sprinkle Tajín over fresh fruits like watermelon, mango, pineapple, or cucumbers for an exciting twist. It can also be used in salads to add a vibrant punch. Seafood. Tajín works wonderfully on grilled fish, shrimps, and other seafood. The lime in Tajín complements the natural flavors of the seafood. Meats. Use Tajín as a rub for grilling or roasting chicken, beef, or pork. It adds a unique, zesty flavor profile that goes beyond your typical salt and pepper. Beverages. Spice up your drinks by rimming your glass with Tajín. It's excellent on margaritas or even a simple glass of beer.
How do you cook with Tajín?
Now that you know where Tajín works best, let's discuss how to incorporate it into your cooking. 1. Marination. Tajín can be used as a dry rub or included in a marinade for meats and seafood. Let your proteins soak in the Tajín-infused marinade for a few hours before cooking to let the flavors penetrate deeply. 2. Seasoning. You can sprinkle Tajín on your foods either during cooking or right before serving. It's perfect on grilled or roasted vegetables, popcorn, and even on your morning eggs. 3. Mixing into dips and sauces. Tajín can add a zesty kick to your dips and sauces. Try adding it to guacamole, salsa, or even your homemade barbecue sauce. 4. Baking. Yes, you heard it right. Sprinkle a little Tajín on your sweet treats like chocolate brownies or cookies to add an unexpected depth of flavor. The ways to use Tajín are endless. It's not just about sprinkling it on top of your foods. It's about understanding its unique flavor profile and how it can transform your cooking. We hope this video has inspired you to start experimenting with Tajín in your kitchen. So, next time you cook, remember, a little sprinkle of Tajín can make a world of difference. Happy cooking, everyone!